Boom, I'm winning already. In just a few seconds, I've earned $0.31 faith. Play-to-earn games have taken the world by storm. These aren't just fun ways to pass time. They're real opportunities to earn cryptocurrency while gaming. One standout title in this space is Lords Forsaken, a game where ancient gods and mythological beings battle it out for supremacy and worship. In Lords Forsaken, every battle fought with NFT-based cards isn't just thrilling, it's rewarding. Players can earn real cryptocurrency, collect legendary gods, compete in ranked battles, and even climb the leaderboard to unlock incredible crypto rewards. And the best part? Rewards can go as high as $4,500 for players participating in leagues and achieving in-game milestones. Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles, the channel where we explore the intersection of blockchain, gaming, and earning opportunities. Today, I'll take you through why Lords Forsaken stands out as one of the best play-to-earn games of 2025. If you're looking for an exciting way to earn money while enjoying epic battles, this is the game for you. But it doesn't stop there. Lords Forsaken is completely free to play. And if you want an edge, purchasing card packs can give you a boost in gameplay. There's also an internal marketplace where players can buy, sell, and trade cards, along with a Telegram channel to connect directly with other gamers. Ready to dive into the world of gods, battles, and crypto rewards? Let's get started. Welcome to Lords Forsaken, the realm where ancient gods and mythological beings return to Earth to battle for supremacy and worship. In this captivating game, every battle fought with powerful NFT board cards rewards you with real cryptocurrency. Whether you're collecting legendary gods, competing in ranked battles, or climbing the ranks, Lords Forsaken offers endless opportunities to earn crypto rewards based on your performance. It's more than just a game, it's a chance to help the gods reclaim their glory. One of the most exciting aspects of Lords Forsaken is its connection to mythology. For example, one of the featured characters is the ancient Egyptian god of the dead, associated with mummification and the afterlife, often depicted as a man with the head of a jackal. Each card has a story, and these legends come alive in your hands. Cards in Lords Forsaken are categorized into different rarities, making each one valuable in its own way. Here's a quick breakdown. Common, represented with a gray gem. These are the most abundant and low-tier cards, commonly minted in packs. Rare, indicated by a blue gem, these mid-tier cards are a step up in power and rarity. Epic, marked with a pink gem, these top-tier cards have a lower chance of appearing in packs but are highly sought after. Legendary, the golden gem signifies premium, ultra-rare cards. Owning one of these is a true achievement. Now let's talk about foils, the special versions of cards that add more power and value. Silver foil, the most common, offering no extra bonus. Gold foil, rare and valuable, providing a percentage boost to the cryptocurrency earned per battle. Remember, foil cards can make all the difference in competitive play. Each card in Lords Forsaken has unique stats and abilities, giving you endless strategic options. Players must use their cards wisely to dominate battles. Here are the attack types to keep in mind. Melee, perfect for frontline tanks or sneak attackers. Ranged, ideal for striking enemies from the support line. Magic, high mana cost but incredibly powerful, and it never misses. With a variety of card rarities, foils, and attack types, Lords Forsaken offers a dynamic and rewarding gameplay experience. Are you ready to test your strategy and claim your rewards? Let's dive deeper into how you can collect, trade, and play with these cards. So, why wait? Dive into the world of Lords Forsaken today and start earning real rewards. Before we jump into gameplay, let's explore how you can boost your experience by purchasing card packs for better performance and rewards. Alright, let's talk about how to supercharge your gameplay in Lords Forsaken. While the game is completely free to play, if you want a competitive edge, purchasing card packs is the way to go. These packs will unlock more powerful gods and abilities, giving you a significant advantage in battles. The process is super simple and user-friendly. Players can easily transfer funds to the Linea network and use them to buy packs right within the game. This makes purchasing card packs fast and seamless, helping you unlock those legendary cards even quicker. Here's how to get started. connect your wallet, like MetaMask, or any other compatible wallet. It's as simple as entering the desired amount of USDT and clicking Buy. Conveniently trade and manage your tokens. Now, let's talk about the financial infrastructure behind Lords Forsaken. Pools create new pairs or add liquidity to existing positions. Nile emissions, currently standing at $77,170 this epoch. Single stake, deposit assets into ICHI vaults and earn rewards while your position is actively managed. You can even customize your withdrawal percentages when needed. Another exciting feature is the voting system. With vNile, you can vote to direct emissions toward your preferred pools. Incentivize others to join by depositing voting rewards. Emissions per percent of vote, $848. Total votes cast, 225,395, 3%. Make your voice heard in shaping the ecosystem. For those who love tracking stats, the analytics dashboard provides a wealth of data. Total value locked, TVL over $14 million and climbing. Trade volume, check monthly, weekly, and daily stats. Revenue per epoch, stay informed on the latest performance metrics. The game's economy is powered by the Faith token, with a current liquidity of $27,000. Here's a quick overview: fixed supply, 100 million tokens. And distribution, founders, 20%, play to earn payouts, P2E 30%, project treasury, 50%. The Faith token facilitates gameplay and economic interactions across multiple platforms, ensuring a thriving and sustainable ecosystem. To maintain a smooth trading experience, 100,000 Faith tokens have been added to the Linux Faith/ETH pair. The total supply of 50 million tokens has been strategically allocated for liquidity, ensuring stability and availability for users. Let's dive deeper into the cards themselves. Each card is unique, with distinct stats that define its performance in battles. Here's what to look for: rarity levels, ranging from common to legendary. Abilities, detailed abilities list available for every card. Card leveling, upgrade your cards to enhance their stats and unlock new powers. Remember, gold foil cards offer premium advantages and often skip initial progression stages, giving you a significant edge in battles. Finally, don't forget to check out the roadmap. It outlines the future developments of the game's liquidity and financial infrastructure, ensuring the longevity and success of Lords Forsaken. Alright, folks, there's more. Now let's dive into the most exciting part: how to actually play the game and start earning real money. Click play now. Once you've logged in, simply click play now to begin. Connect your wallet. You can connect Condor, Coinos, or any other compatible wallet. It's easy and quick to set up. Just choose your wallet and follow the on-screen prompts to get started. Once connected, you'll be directed to the game dashboard, which looks sleek and user-friendly. Here's what you'll see: practice mode, perfect for newcomers to get familiar with the game mechanics. League rating, track your progress and performance as you climb the ranks. Cards pack, we'll dive deeper into the card packs after playing, but keep this in mind: they are crucial to enhancing your gaming experience, so don't miss out. Referral program, share your referral link with friends and earn even more rewards when they join the game. The game has an exciting leaderboard where you can track your progress in real time. Season number 4 is underway, and it will conclude on January 11th, 1800 hours Universal Time Coordinated, so make sure you're climbing that leaderboard. You can also check your game history and even replays of previous matches to learn from your experiences. The game's shop has a wide selection of skins, avatars, and cosmetics, coming soon to enhance your in-game appearance. You'll be able to purchase Faith tokens with USDT or even use your credit card to buy directly. Here's how it works: buy with USDT. Simply connect your wallet, review the terms and privacy, and confirm the transaction. Buy with credit card. If you prefer using your credit card, that option is available too. Just follow the same simple steps to connect your wallet and make the purchase. The process is simple and seamless, designed for both crypto enthusiasts and newcomers. Alright, players. Now it's time to explore one of the most exciting and mystical aspects of Lords Forsaken, the ritual of awakening. This isn't just about opening a card pack, folks. This is a sacred process that links the mortal world with the divine. Each card pack you open represents a sealed covenant, a hidden connection between you and the gods. When you perform the ritual of awakening, you're awakening the latent energies in your cards and unlocking ancient powers that will help you dominate the battlefield. Before you dive in, make sure you connect your wallet. Choose your wallet, approve the connection, and you're all set. It's really that simple. Now, let's talk about the amazing card packs available in the game. Ready to make the most of your experience? So here's the deal. Every card pack you purchase contains 5 NFTs, giving you multiple chances to unlock powerful gods and rare items. As of now, here's the sales breakdown. Total sales, USD $36,487. Packs sold, 15,769. Packs opened, 10,310. You can clearly see, the community is thriving, and these card packs are flying off the shelves. Now let's explore the different packages you can choose from. First up, we have the Divine Package, for those who want to go all in and unlock the most powerful cards available. Divine Package, price, $10,000, contents, 3,000 packs plus 200 special promo cards. It's the ultimate experience for serious players, thousands of packs, exclusive promo cards, and the best chance to unlock legendary gods. Profit Package, price, $2,500, contents, 667 packs plus 50 special promo cards. A fantastic option if you're looking for a balance of volume and premium rewards, without breaking the bank. Grandmaster Package, price, $1,000, contents, 258 packs plus 20 special promo cards, great for players who want to power up quickly but at a mid-tier price. Okay, I know the big packages are exciting, but don't worry, there are more friendly packages for everyone, regardless of budget. Let's check out some affordable options that still pack a punch. Enlightened Package, price, $300, contents, 70 packs plus 6 special promo cards, perfect for new players who want to get started on the right foot without making a huge investment. You get a good amount of packs and some cool special cards. Apprentice Package, price, $50, contents, 11 packs plus 1 special promo card. Now this one is for the players who want to explore the world of Lords Forsaken without committing too much. Great for newcomers or those who just want to dip their toes in the game. Each and every pack you open contains 5 NFTs, giving you multiple chances to unlock valuable cards that will boost your gameplay and help you climb the ranks. Whether you're after gods, spells, or unique powers, there's something for everyone. And if you're still unsure about anything, don't forget to check out the Frequently Asked Questions (FAQ) section on the site to get more information. Alright, let's dive into something cool. You can check your collection right here. See all the cards you've unlocked and explore your powerful gods and abilities. If you want to edit your collection, no problem. You can customize and strategize as you see fit. Want to check the stats? Simply click on a card to view its abilities and lore. Pyramid workers, skilled craftsmen and laborers, who built the ancient monuments of Egypt, have risen from the past to defend their resting places from intruders and thieves. Imagine them standing guard over powerful treasures, now ready to fight for your victory. Now let's get to the main point, playing the game. Just hit the Play Now button, and within seconds you'll find a match. Choose your civilization, Greece, Egypt, or Norse. If you're eligible, you can pick the one that suits you best. I'll be going with Greece today. Look at that board, it's awesome. And here we go, playtime is now. Enjoy the incredible background music, it's absolutely rocking. hold on, boom, I'm winning already. In just a few seconds, I've earned $0.31 faith. I told you, it's fast and rewarding. Now let's talk about earning, because in Lords Forsaken, if you're playing the game, you will earn rewards. There's no such thing as playing and not making money here. You can easily earn and withdraw your rewards. This is where the fun starts, getting real crypto rewards like dollar faith for your effort. It's simple to withdraw your earnings. Just set your withdrawal address and boom, your earnings are yours to keep. Why wait any longer? Join the game now and earn big. Don't forget to click on my referral link. The more you play, the more tokens you win. It's that simple. Plus, you can also earn by sharing your own referral link. You'll earn 10% on each card pack your referrals open, up to 2 layers deep. So the more your friends play, the more you earn. Once you've earned some tokens, you can withdraw your dollar faith easily. Just make sure you meet the minimum payout requirement of $10, and payouts happen once a week. It's a great way to keep the rewards flowing and stay engaged with the community. And hey, don't forget about the internal marketplace. You can buy, sell, and trade cards with other players. If you want to make deals, there's also an internal Telegram channel to directly connect with other traders in the community. So, what are you waiting for? Join Lords Forsaken today, start collecting powerful cards, and earn real crypto rewards. Whether you're looking for an exciting game or a way to earn while you play, this is the perfect opportunity. Don't forget to use my referral link to start earning right away, and enjoy all the rewards this incredible game has to offer. Thanks for tuning into Crypto Chronicles, and remember, the gods are waiting for you in Lords Forsaken.